flows. How does the blood flows in the heart? So when the heart pumps the blood by one contraction and one relaxation of auricles and ventricles, then the blood flows in the blood vessels. What is present in the blood? The blood present in the heart flows in the arteries and veins when it pumps the blood. So the pumping is done by one contraction and one relaxation of the auricles and ventricles. So this one contraction and one relaxation of the auricles and ventricles is known as cardiac cycle. So let us see first how does the cycle starts. So the sequential events in pumping the blood is known as nothing but the one cardiac cycle. So next, if we start the cardiac cycle, first of all, the impure blood is from all the body parts after the metabolic activities like respiration and digestion, nutrition, all these metabolic activities, excretion, the wastes are sent into the body cells or excreted outside into the blood. So that blood forms the impure blood, and that blood is collected by first inferior vena cava and superior vena cava. So that impure blood is collected by these two chambers which are present on the right side of the heart. They open into the right auricle. And when the heart contracts, the both two chambers they contract. So then when contraction occurs here, the right auricle and from the left auricle, you can say. So from a right auricle, the impure blood flows into the right ventricle. Here the pure blood comes into the left ventricle. As I am starting from first the cycle, how does the cycle starts? Let us first take the impure blood. So the impure blood is collected by the inferior vena cava, superior vena cava, and open into the right auricle, and the right chamber is filled, and when it contracts it comes into the right ventricle. And from the right ventricle, what is the artery here open into the right auricle? Pulmonary artery. So this pulmonary artery, when the ventricle contracts, the blood present in the right ventricle flows into the pulmonary artery, and this from the pulmonary artery the impure blood goes to the lungs. And from the lungs it is purified, means the respiration process here. Through the respiration process, oxygen is absorbed into the blood and CO2 enter into the alveoli and alveoli to the back to the trachea to nostrils, and like that it will go away. So the impure blood is purified in the lungs, and it is again collected by the pulmonary veins which are present in the left auricle. This pulmonary vein open into the left auricle. So the purified blood from the lungs connected to the left auricle, and the purified blood enter into the left auricle. From the left auricle, again when the contraction is going on, contraction and relaxation, and this left auricle, the left pure blood comes to the left ventricle, and when this contraction of the ventricles occurs, this left ventricle, the pure blood enter into the systemic artery. So it is open, this systemic artery is open into the left ventricle. So the purified blood when enter into the left auricle to left ventricle, it goes into the systemic aorta and systemic artery to the body parts. So I will show once the flow chart here, how does the blood flows. From the body parts, the impure blood is collected. And by the inferior vena cava and superior vena cava to right auricle, they open into the right auricle. From right auricle to right ventricle to pulmonary artery for purification. It goes to the lungs. Again, from the lungs, it is collected by purified blood is collected by pulmonary veins, and from pulmonary veins to left auricle to left ventricle, and left ventricle to systemic aorta. As this all the left chamber contains the purified blood, and the right auricles, right chambers contain the impure blood. You have to remember the blood vessels which open into the heart so that you can easily understand that one. Left auricle to systemic aorta, and this is the major artery which distributes the body parts. So it is present mostly and distributed to all the body parts. This major artery is divided into arterioles and arterioles to capillaries. Again, the diffusion of the blood, the oxygen or the other nutrients takes place through the capillaries from the blood to the cell, and again when the metabolic activities occur in the cell, the waste materials are formed. These waste materials again discharged into the capillaries, blood vessels, and again these capillaries join to form venules to veins, and these veins again connected to the nothing but the inferior vena cava and superior vena cava. Thus the blood is circulated to all the parts of the body through the heart, and this one cycle is known as cardiac cycle, and it takes place mostly in 0.8 seconds. Its one cycle completes in 0.8 seconds, and this can be you can read this total topic in page number 58. So once you go through the page number 58, I will give questions tomorrow, and I hope you understand it.